Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Uckman here at the CME Group with the Morning Market Stir for Wednesday, August the 12th. Markets taketh away. All the gains from Mondays evaporated yesterday, 1% loss across the board. Even the S&P down 20 points at 2080, but 10 points off of the session low that was set at 2070 yesterday. Dow futures finished down 198, 17,355, and the Nasdaq got hit down 55 points at 4511. Currencies were quiet. The dollar was firmer, up 13 points at 97.34. The euro currency was also up, interestingly enough, up 11 at 110.35, back above that 110 threshold. Bonds were a big mover on the day, up 2 full points at 158.26. That's pushed yields lower and lower. Crude oil was the news of the day. In addition to the stock market, crude oil finally took out those record lows. New 6-year lows were made yesterday. 43.08 was the closing price, down another $1.90 a barrel. The session low yesterday was 42.70. And lastly, gold continuing to hold above $1,100 an ounce. 11.08 was the close, up $4. So, after the erasing of gains on Monday, where do things stand here on this Wednesday morning? Well, we're lower once again. We're down 18 points, pushing to the lows from last week in the E-mini S&P. We're right now at 2062. Dow futures down 140, and we've got the Nasdaq futures at 44.70, down 41. The dollar index is unwinding some, 96.42 down 92, giving the euro currency a surge, 111.59 up 116 now that it's back above that 110 pivot. Bonds are moving a little bit higher, up 16 points, half a full point here at 159.09. Yields have really got knocked down, 278 in the 30-year and 211 in the 10-year note. We were just talking about the 2.5 resistance. Now we're talking about 2% support in that 10-year note, sitting at 211 right now. Crude oil's up 50 cents at 43.55, and gold's up $9 with the weaker U.S. dollar at 11.16. So to wrap up this current action with 2 hours to go before the cash stock market open, we're weaker on the open in the stock indexes, down 18 in the S&P, down 140 in the Dow, and down 41 in the Nasdaq 100 futures. I will see you early Thursday morning for the Morning Market Stir to set up your trading day. Alan Uckman here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.